Hey y'all, welcome back to Deep Fried Honey. Today we're gonna make honey jerk roasted chicken. It's just a roasted chicken with jerk marinade. Start by mixing your favorite jerk marinade with some honey, some granulated garlic, some olive oil, and a little bit of brown sugar just to kind of bring out that honey. Go ahead and get your chicken, make sure it's cleaned and trimmed, and season it. I'm using kosher salt, black pepper, and the Brass Experience by Brass Cuisine. You can skip that or use more salt. You can also use like a dried jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
But make sure you season your chicken very well, inside, outside, and get under the skin. We take seasoning very seriously here, right? So do a good job. And then when you're done with that, go ahead and transfer your chicken to a wire rack over a baking sheet and get it ready to roast. I like to separate the thigh and the breast. That helps it cook faster. And then go ahead and spoon on your marinade. You're going to do the top, the bottom, the inside, and under the skin, just like you did with the seasoning. And I like to use a basting brush to minimize how messy my hands get. You can do whatever you like. But make sure you get it coated really well. Flipper, do the opposite side, separate the skin a little bit more, get between the skin and the meat, and then we're going to refrigerate this bird overnight. You can get away with maybe 3 or 4 hours in the fridge, but I really recommend doing it overnight for best results.
Yeah.
Now the next day, you want to take the bird out of the fridge about 30 minutes to an hour before you bake it. And you want to preheat your oven to 425. You're going to baste the bird in butter. This is about half a stick, and I'm using about half of that. And then throw it in the oven. After half an hour, take it out, pour on the rest of the butter, and tint it with foil. And you're going to cook it until it registers about 160 in the thigh internally. I like to take the extra step of adding butter to the skin underneath the foil while it rests for 15 or 20 minutes before you carve it. It's really unnecessary, but whenever you give me the chance to add butter, I'm probably going to. This bird has rested for about 20 minutes, and look at all the juices. I was going to show you carving it, but I made a mess. Like this was a damn disaster, so we're not going to show you that. Just pretend that I did and enjoy the recipe yourself. As always, thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to spend them with me, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.